Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And today we have something very exciting to present. The Nuri espresso machines from Italy. Antonio Nuri, who started this company, basically worked for two other or maybe three other companies prior for the last 20 years in the espresso machine industry. And as many in Italy have a desire to build their own, Antonio Nuri has finally come to fruition in building his own machines. I met with him in October of 2023 at Host in Milan, Italy, or in the outskirts of Milan. And I saw these machines and I was highly impressed with the machines. So we have the first series here for the States on the SA series. This is basically the heat exchange series. And what's really nice is the design of the machines and also working with Antonio, because there are so many variables that we're trying to hammer out where you can choose the design of the machine here at First Line and on our website. Here you see a stainless steel model. This has a film on it. Typically you could just start here, and this is the stainless steel one. Now the other colored painted ones, you'll see a black one here, a beautiful white one here, and a red one here, and there are other colors. And the thing is, you can order these with the different side panels, but we said to Antonio, that would make over probably 500 or 1,000 variations. We don't want to hold that many machines in stock. We want the base, which is black, stainless, red, white, might be a light blue or some other colors down the road. And then the panels, the customers can choose separately. So here on the black one, we have the white panels, okay? We have white. Now, these are not set into place. There's a little holding screw that holds it in from the top, but very easy to remove. There's magnetic holders as well, but it's also held in from the top. But we can easily, and then, there we go, this way. So okay, so it's not going to hold in place because we don't have them set, but we've just changed it. Okay, totally different design on the machine now, or an attribute. We could take this one off. We could put the black one in place. Okay, again, these are not being held. The top cover has to be removed, and we'll do that here at First Line. So we want an all black one. Okay, we can have that. We want to get a different wood. Nope. So you can see inside there, the top panel is held in by 4 screws. And you're going to go get the other one to show you here. Okay, so we have different woods, different panels. Throughout the ordering process at First Line, this is where we want you to build your machine to your desire. Now, the other option is you can get one set of wood panels. Then we can have the black portafilters. There are 3 baskets in here, filter baskets, and 1 blind in here. Tamper leveler, heavyweight. Okay, dual spout portafilter. We also asked them just to have the bottomless. Get rid of the single. We don't need the single. And of course the baskets. So we have the black handles right there. So if you want black machine, white body panels with black handles, you can get that. There's another setup with the different wood. So this wood, and I'm not a wood expert, would match that panel, but you may want to get these darker wood handles with the lighter wood on the side. Okay, just to show you the different configurations that you can set up, you may want the darker wood, okay, with a lighter wood portafilter, and all the tampers are in black, they're not wood. And then last but not least, we have another black one. So right now we have a limited quantity of these machines in stock because First Line always starts out slow. We want to make sure how perfect everything is. We want to make sure that things are going to work right. We also look at the packaging. We don't want to order 100 machines at a time and then we don't like the packaging. So this is a slow improvement process now that occurs, but we are very, very excited on the design of these machines. Now, a couple little details on the intro here. You do have a nice steam wand, okay, with a joystick, and also the wood accoutrements on the portafilter set. It also can have the actual wood of on the steam knob or the handle for the joystick. So you have joysticks here. You have a large steam boiler here. Okay, these are not PID. I've had a discussion with Antonio. To keep the cost down, a pressure stat's being used. There is no pipe. It's at the top of the boiler right in here. Very simple design. Another nice feature is you have your pressure gauge right here on top, your power button and your light, and then up here is to start the espresso. It's a micro switch to start and stop the espresso extraction. These are 58 millimeter group heads. We're gonna go into more details later on as this is an intro. The other nice feature on this side is a valve that drains the boiler, and there's a hose behind the panel, behind the drip tray. Take the panel off and you can redirect and drain your boiler. So if you want to do a descaling, okay, and there's a tank inside to use a descaling solution, okay, it's very, very nice. And with that in mind, you can do descaling, drain the boiler, refill, rinse, and then drain again. So the drain on the outside or partially outside is a very nice feature where you don't have to go inside under the machine. It's right on the left side. So these are some of the tidbits about this fabulous machine. Hopefully you're going to get one from this first batch because we have very limited quantity. And from here, we're basically very excited to bring more in. I've tasted the espresso that came out in October of 23 at the host show, and my excitement went from here to here, and just the nice design of the machines really, really make an impression. And we just had these out here, and customers who have walked in have all noticed these models sitting right here. They were impressed, and just actually 15 minutes before videotaping, a customer came in for a repair and he's like, whoa, those are nice. And I said, yeah, we're gonna be making a video soon. And he's like, oh man, I should have dressed up. I would have loved to be a part of your video. But he had to go, his wife was waiting outside. So very good machines. Take a look on our website. Thank you for watching Java Gym with First Line Equipment. Have a wonderful day. Coffee first, everything else second. Take care.